So here I will show you how to use the browser extension for Trovu. It's currently available for Chrome and Firefox, and to install it we should click this button here on the homepage, pick our browser. In this case it's Chrome. It will work for all Chromium-based browsers, so also Brave, for instance. So clicking here sends us to the docs, and here we already see a screenshot, and we have the link to the Chrome Web Store. Yeah, here we have a button, Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and right after install, the extension opens the settings. So here we can pick the language. Let's take German, and let's take Austria. Save options. And we already can see that this extension defines two keyboard shortcuts, one for opening a new tab, one for opening a new window. So and for now, yes, they are set to Shift and Apple 1. So let's click this or push this, Shift Apple 1. And yeah, it opens a Trovu input. Basically, it opens this URL with a lighter view of the homepage. And here, all the suggestions do work. So let's, for instance, look for a route from Vienna to Graz. Since I said Austria, I can use the city abbreviations. Hit enter, and here I am. I have a route from Vienna to Graz. Yeah, so this was Shift Apple 1 for opening a new tab. If I want to change this shortcut, I can just go back. Here still the settings tab is open, but in case it wouldn't be opened, I could open it here. So click on this extension name. And yeah, so let's say I want to change the shortcuts. Then I need to go on this page, Chrome extensions. Can also copy this to clipboard. It's not possible to make a link of this in an extension, unfortunately. But yeah, copying to clipboard and pasting brings us here. And here we can see the keyboard shortcuts. In a wider screen, this should be already visible here on the left. In this case, we have to click the menu, and then we click keyboard shortcuts. And we see keyboard shortcuts for all the installed extensions. In this browser, it's only Trovu. So yeah, here I can simply change the shortcut. Instead of Shift Apple 1, I can, for instance, define Apple T. And this actually did override the open a new tab shortcut. So Apple T does not open an empty tab anymore, but it opens the Trovu yeah, query with the input field. Yeah, so that's the extension for now available on Chrome and on Firefox. If it should be available for more browsers, let me know. I thought about doing it for Safari, but it's a bit complicated. But for Safari users, or for macOS users, I can highly recommend the Raycast extension. There's also a video here on the channel. Okay, thanks so far, and enjoy the extension.